Hi, in this quick video, we'll walk through the EPD Quality Checker. It's a tool that helps you find and fix common issues before you submit your EPD for verification. Using it can save you a lot of time and help you get your EPDs approved faster. After you've calculated your results, you'll see this EPD Quality Checker section on the result page. It gives you a quick summary of any potential issues. Let's click Open Detail. The checker consists of two parts. We'll start with the Completeness Checker. This tab makes sure all your data is consistent and that you haven't forgotten anything important. First, it checks your mass and energy balance. This just means it makes sure the amount of material and energy going into your product matches what's coming out. If there's a problem, you'll see a red warning. Next, it compares your final product's weight to the sum of all its raw materials to make sure they match up. And finally, it checks that you've uploaded all the necessary files for your EPD, like your logo or product image. Now, let's take a look at the Plausibility Checker tab. This part is really helpful. It compares your project's environmental impact results against similar EPDs in our large database to see if your numbers look reasonable. For each result, you'll see this graph. The green bar shows the typical range for similar products. The vertical line is your project's results. If your line is outside of the green bar, it's a good idea to double check your data to make sure it's correct. The checker also runs automatically when you click Submit to EPD Hub. Here, a pop-up appears because it found some issues. It gives you the option to go back and review the issues, which is always recommended, or to submit without reviewing if you provide justification. And that's the EPD Quality Checker. Taking a few minutes to review these checks can make your verification process much smoother. Thanks for watching.